Hey, I'm Jeff with IT Supplies. Now, who doesn't love a good countdown? Today, I'm going to give you the top 7 reasons I think you should see our demo center for yourself. All right, here we are. Top 7 reasons I think you should visit our demo center. Number 1, our demo center is 15 minutes from O'Hare Airport. This gives you flexibility when planning your trip. We also offer airport pickup and drop off. So if you're on a tight timeline and don't want to spend the night in Chicago, we'll pick you up from the airport, drop you back off, and you won't have to deal with any Uber drivers or anything coming out of O'Hare Airport. And for any of you that have come to Chicago, you know what I'm talking about. Number 2, side-by-side comparisons. We know there's lots of different technologies to choose from, and by offering solutions from all the major leaders in the industry, like HP, Epson, and Canon, you can easily compare prints side by side during your visit. We have over 16 printers in our center right now. All right, number 3, you get to meet your support team. By visiting our center, you get to meet the tech team that'll be supporting you if you decide to purchase a printer. This is great because so many times we don't get to meet our support team until after we've made a purchase. All right, number 4, we're halfway through our list, so it's time for lunch. We are 2 minutes from Portillo's. And for any of you that have had Portillo's, you know why this is on our list. Come try a world famous Chicago hot dog or Italian beef. All right, number 5, this one's an often underrated benefit, and that's to see other technologies. When you visit our center, you'll have the chance to see many other print technologies that may complement your business, some of which you may not have even known existed. From personal experience, it's common for this to lead to new, innovative ideas for your business. Number 6, validate and verify. By coming to our center, you'll be able to test all sorts of functions before you make a purchase. For many customers, this includes time tests, ink usage, and total cost info for a job. All right, we've come to the 7th reason to visit our demo center, and that's to meet your sales rep in person. I think this is key for anyone that has had an unpleasant experience with a sales rep. I know personally, I want a rep that's easy to work with, knowledgeable in the industry, and trustworthy. Meeting your rep in person will give you the opportunity to see if they're the kind of person you want to buy from and work with. So that wraps up the top 7 reasons I think you should visit the IT Supplies Demo Center. To schedule a demo, you can call, email, chat, or simply comment below, and we will get you set up for your own personalized, free, no obligation demo in our Chicagoland Demo Center. We'll see you next time.